Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's session, we learn local storage in JavaScript. So let's get started. Watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to access the web development playlist from the description box and subscribe to this channel. Before we move ahead, let's first understand the definition of local storage. Local storage is a feature in JavaScript that allows you to store data in the user's browser with no expiration time. Data stored in local storage is stored even if the browser is closed. Now, let me show you first where the values is stored in a browser. Let's see different types of methods associated with local storage. First we have setItem, which is used to store data in key value pair format. Below is the syntax for it. Let's see a quick demonstration of it. The data stored in local storage will be saved even we close the browser or refresh the browser. The second method we have is getItem, which is used to retrieve the value of a specific key. Let's see a quick demonstration for the same. Next method we have is removeItem, which removes the item with the specified key. Let's execute it to see how it works. As you can clearly see, as we removed the channel key, the entire row of the channel got removed. Next method we have is key, which returns the key at a specific index. Before looking into it, let's first set some values in the local storage. Next method we have is length, which is used to get the length of the local storage. Finally, at last we have clear method, which is used to clear all the data stored in a local storage. This was the explanation of local storage and its important methods used to access it. Using local storage we can create lots of amazing projects, and also it has very much real-time uses. Let's create a simple project using local storage to understand it more clearly. This was just a simple application of local storage. Do you know it is used in various websites like e-commerce to store your wish lists? It can also be used to create a to-do list application. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.